Karma Guy here. Check out this stunning 1998 Chevrolet Corvette Coupe, local trade, and it's ready for a new owner like you. This American classic comes with dealer service history and even the original books, making it the perfect collector's piece or everyday cruiser. This Corvette is also dealer certified, meaning it's backed by our Quality Plus warranty, 3 months or 3,000 miles, and you can even add a 5-year maintenance plan at a discounted price when you purchase it. And don't forget, there's an option for a lifetime warranty upgrade available at the time of sale. We understand buying a car is a big decision, which is why we make sure everything is inspected with a pre-purchase inspection for your peace of mind. Just keep in mind, any price reductions or discounts will void the CPO status, meaning no warranty or service plan. Remember, the bitterness of poor quality remains long after the sweetness of low price is forgotten. Don't miss out on this incredible opportunity to own a true American icon. Come see it today.